Welcome to a world where elegance meets comfort, where luxury is more than just a word, it's a lifestyle. Welcome to Mrs. Valle. Imagine sipping medium dark roast coffee from an exquisite glassware collection, your phone elegantly dressed in a tailored case. Picture yourself stepping onto an all-round rug, plush and comforting beneath your feet. See the flicker of a fine soy wax candle casting a warm glow on your decorative pillows, tablecloths, shower curtains, and more. Each item, a statement of sophistication, each design, a testament to taste. Mrs. Valle is where your home decor dreams come to life, where practicality and panache play a delightful dance. It's not just about products, it's about an experience, a journey into the realm of refined living. So why wait? Step into the world of Mrs. Valle and let your home tell your story. A story of style, of elegance, of luxury. Shop at www.mrsbvalle.com today, because home is where the art is.